welcome back to another episode of Do or DIY, where we prioritize creation over consumption and learn some really cool crafts. In this episode, we're going to be learning to crochet this kawaii fried egg. Do a better view here. For this project, you are just going to need weight 6 yarn in 2 colors. You're going to need yellow and you are going to need white. And then you're going to need a 9mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, scissors, and some stuffing. And then to embroider the features, you're going to want scraps of black worsted weight yarn and pink yarn if you want to draw little cheeks. As always, if you do want the pattern for this, or if you just want to support my shop, I'm going to list that over on my Etsy and use this coupon code for 30% off of this pattern. The egg yolk, you're going to start with a magic circle, and then you are going to make 6 single crochet into the circle before you pull it shut. Round 2, you're going to increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 single crochet. Round 3, you're going to work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then you're going to increase in the next stitch, and you're going to repeat this all the way around for a total of 18 single crochet. 4 through 6, which is a total of 3 rounds, you're just going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 18 single crochet at the end of each round. After round 6, you're just going to work 1 slip stitch to finish off, and then cut the yarn, leaving a bit of a yarn tail because you want to have plenty to use to sew this piece onto the egg white that we are about to make. There's the egg yolk piece all finished. To the egg white, where you are once again going to start with a magic circle, and you're going to work 6 single crochet into the magic circle before you pull it shut. You're going to increase in each single crochet around for a total of 12 stitches at the end of this round. We are going to work 1 single crochet into the next stitch and then increase in the following stitch, and repeat this all the way around for a total of 18 single crochet. You're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch. You're going to repeat this pattern all the way around for a total of 24 stitches. Round 5, you're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch, repeating this all the way around for a total of 30 stitches. 6, you're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the first 4 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch, repeating this all the way around for a total of 36 stitches. Then you're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 5 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch. My cat's trying to distract me here. You're going to repeat this all the way around for a total of 42 stitches. And 8, you're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 6 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the following stitch, repeating this all the way around for a total of 48 single crochet. Our 9th and final round, we are going to give it that sort of egg yolk shaping on the outside. So pay attention for this part because each stitch is going to be a little bit different. So we're going to start with 1 single crochet. Then we're going to do half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, ignore me struggling, I'm just trying to see my work in the camera and the page all at the same time. Then we're going to do another triple crochet, one more triple crochet, double crochet, double crochet again, half double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, one more double crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet again, triple crochet, and one more triple crochet. Double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet. Try that again. Triple crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet, double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. And that's it. That's the last piece. I'm just going to finish this one off, and you're not sewing with this piece, so you really don't need to save a whole lot of yarn. Off and attach the yoke, we are going to embroider the face. So for that, I'm going to use a little bit of a pink yarn for the cheeks and just regular black yarn for the eyes and mouth. The eyes, I'm going to come in through the back so I have a good place to tie everything off and it won't be seen. And I'm just going to make these little V's. But you can do whatever kind of expression you want. Sometimes I do just straight lines. You could also use safety eyes if you wanted, but this makes it a little more baby safe. Which, since the white part of this is really nice and soft, it almost has like a baby blanket, like lovey kind of texture. That's sometimes nice. And then you can do a mouth if you want, but I'm actually not going to on this one because I think that the cheeks are going to be cute and that's going to be enough. So I'm just going to flip this over and tie off the yarn on the inside before I add the cheeks. The cheeks, I'm also going to come through from the inside and just two little pink lines. Like so. To attach the yoke to the egg white, and before you do that, you're going to pull this yarn tail through to the other side just so we can tuck it up into the yoke and we won't have to deal with that. So there are two things you especially want to pay attention to. First, which round of the egg white you are stitching it to, because we ended with 18 stitches around on this piece, so you want to have 18 stitches around also on the round that you're using on the egg white, which should put it at round 3, so around this area. And then the second thing you want to pay attention to is make sure that you're not stitching all the way through like that, because then you're going to see the yellow on the other side. So you want to make sure you're just stitching it to the top part of the stitches so that that doesn't go all the way through. sewing before you're all the way around so that you can add a little bit of stuffing. You shouldn't need too much, but it's a little bit to help it hold its shape. And then stitch it the rest of the way around. Then is just to weave in any yarn tails that are left. Should just be the one. Everything else should have been able to be tucked into the egg yolk. Have it, your Amigurumi Kawaii fried egg. It's a little bit of a funny pattern, but I think it's so cute and so soft. I love the texture of this almost like baby blanket part of it. I think this would be really great for babies and little kids because it's just so cuddly. But yeah, if you want the written pattern for this, again, it'll be over on my Etsy, and use the coupon code in my description box to save 30% on that. And thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with another tutorial soon.